Once upon a time, a few independent local guides had a simple idea. Join my tour, pay what you think it's worth. No fixed price, no middlemen, just local people sharing the stories of their own city. Travelers loved it. The reviews kept coming. Demand exploded. Independent guides hired more local guides. Soon, free walking tour companies were operating in cities across the world. They created jobs. They supported local communities. They made travel more accessible than ever before. The movement thrived. Then one day, a new booking platform appeared. We'll help you reach even more travelers. And it's completely free. It sounded like the perfect partnership. Hundreds of tour companies joined. After a while, the platform had a small request. Just 50 cents per booking. It didn't seem like much. Most companies agreed. But the fee kept rising. Little by little, year after year, every increase was presented as necessary. But every increase came from the earnings of local tour companies. Higher fees, smaller margins, less money for guides, less money for the future. The platform became bigger. Millions of bookings, millions in fees. Every euro paid in booking fees is €1 that no longer stays in the local economy. Less for local companies, less for innovation, less for the guides. Less money locally means the whole ecosystem gets weaker. You have more power than you think. Every booking is a choice. Where you book can help build a better future. For local companies, for local guides, for better tours, for communities, for the movement. Free walking tours were built by locals, for travelers. Let's keep it that way. Support local. Book direct. Keep the movement alive.